As businesses grow globally, managing content in multiple languages becomes more important than ever. LanTMS is an AI-powered translation management system designed to help enterprises translate faster, collaborate better, and stay consistent across markets. Powered by the proprietary LanMT engine, LanTMS supports over 170 languages and helps teams handle everything from everyday content to industry-specific materials, translate text, documents, localize audio and video, manage all your language assets in one place. With built-in editing tools, terminology management, translation memory, and AI-powered assistance, teams can work more efficiently while maintaining quality and consistency. LanTMS also supports private deployment and enterprise-grade security, making it a trusted solution for organizations with strict data requirements.